friends and family. I hope that everyone is doing well. I want to thank you all for watching my videos. I want to thank my subscribers. If you haven't already, please feel free to hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be the first to know when I post videos like these. My channels pretty much include things like decorating, lifestyle. I haven't gone so much into some of the projects that I would normally be doing, but I will be doing those. My channels pretty much include things like decorating, lifestyle. I haven't gone so much into some of the projects that I would normally be doing, but I will be doing those soon. So be sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see those types of things. So I'm just going to jump right in. The purpose of this video was a recent haul. I went to Home Goods, Target, ordered a few things off of Overstock as well as Gallerie. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing I want to share with you all is this vase. I got it from Home Goods. It was $16.99. It's like a bronze or a copper look, and that's kind of the colors I'm bringing into my fall decor. So this was $16.99. I'm going to put a few flowers in it and put it on my coffee table. So it's really detailed. If you can see, it has a lot of circles on it. But I'll do a close-up at the end of the video so you can see how it looks close up. I got this, which is a candle holder from Target. It was on clearance for like $9. Regular price was $20. So I'll show you how it looks with some candles in it. So there's one and there's the other. So that was about $9. I also got these 3 candle holders, and they came in 3 sizes, and I'll show you that's it's got the glass, clear glass, like the ones in my hearth room, except these are the gold ones in 3 sizes. Those in the hearth room came, well, I only found them in 1 size, and it was perfect because I wanted to line them up. But this one is $12.99 for the smaller one. And this one is $16.99 for the medium. And the large one was $19.99. So I got those 3, and there they are. Okay. Now from Gallerie, these were regular price. This one was $89.95. And this one is $69.95. So you have the 2 sizes. They can be canisters or vases, whichever you choose. They came with the lid. So with the lid, of course, it's a canister. Without, you can use it as a vase. They were on clearance. This was $45 and this one was $35. They were half off. So I did have to pay for shipping. That particular day they didn't have free shipping. So I'm going to probably put these over in the living room, the dining room area. So I got those 2. I also got this tray, and it's gold. It was $49.99 at Home Goods. Let me get my tape measure. We can measure it. Okay, I got my tape measure now from end to end. It is 34 inches. 34 inches. So, yep. So I got this. It's going to go in the dining area. And I also found these 3 balls. I was looking for some orange or white ones or creamy colored ones to go in here, but I couldn't find any. I started to spray paint some, but decided not to. But I did find these orbs. They're a little different they don't go all the way around. So I like the uniqueness of them. And it was 3 of them. And I'll show you that in a picture. So those are the 3. And I'm just gonna put those in here. The small one was $5.99. The medium size was $7.99. And the larger one, of course, was $9.99. So I got those 3. I purchased these at a different time. I didn't get them when I got this, but yeah, I got these from Home Goods in 3 different prices. So that's that. I also got these pillows from, this one came from Home Goods. It was $34.99. I got 2 of them, put that one there. So I just love the pillow. It can also be used in a bedroom, but I'm gonna use it in here for now. I may end up putting it in the guest room when I start moving my pillows around, because this is one I would want out in any room at all times. But it was $34.99, and it did come with, you know, it came just like this, of course. So that was $34.99. And I got the copper tone. Everybody loves the Greek. You've probably seen them all over YouTube. I believe it was $54.19 with my 15% off coupon for that day. Now this is the same one, I believe, from Zgallerie. Zgallerie is $100. A lot of times they may have a 25% off coupon, so you can get them for $75. Now I've seen before where Zgallerie had it on sale for $99, which means you can't use a coupon. So with it being such a hot item and a popular item, I believe that is why they priced it like that, so you wouldn't wouldn't be able to use the coupon. Now this one is on Overstock. I believe the regular price was $60 something, but I paid $54. And when Zgallerie was out of them, Overstock was out of them. And when Zgallerie got them, Overstock got them. So that's why I believe they are made by the same manufacturer. It's just that the tag on Zgalleries are going to say Zgallerie. So that's, I think, is the difference. I don't know for sure because I haven't ordered any from Zgallerie. And I went to the Nashville store and they were closed, so I didn't get a chance to see them there. They no longer have that store in Nashville, so I didn't get a chance to compare. But I'm almost sure they're by the same manufacturer. It's just that Zgallerie gets to put their tag on the pillows. And this pillow, I think it's Villa. But whatever it is, I'll tag it in the comments. So if you want to purchase it off of Overstock for the better price, you'll have the information. So I did get this copper one. I wanted the gold. They didn't have the gold, but I did want the gold, this copper, for my fall colors. I also got the silver, and this is how it looks. I'll do a close-up once I unpack everything. But this is the silver one. It comes in a box like this. I purchased 2 of these, and those 2 are here. And actually it says right here who it's made by. Yeah, it says Villa by Classic Home. So yes, Classic Home is the maker of these pillows. And so yeah, Villa by Classic Home. So that's the manufacturer. Let me show you the box. So those pillows came in this box, of course. They were flat, which is fine, because you want to fluff them. And I'm just going to leave them flat until I get ready to use these pillows. So I'm just going to put them right here for now. Set them right here. Okay, so I also got these pillows from Home Goods. They were $19.99. They have the tweed on the front and the velvet on the back. Of course, like I told you, I'm bringing my fall colors in. So this pumpkin looking color will probably end up in here. So I got 2 of those pillows. They were $19.99 at Home Goods. I also got these 2. Now they did have the yellow. If anyone's looking for the yellow and they haven't been to their Home Goods or their Home Goods haven't stocked, a lot of times what you see someone else getting, one of the other Home Goods will get it too. So these were $19.99 each, and I got two, which this is more of a peachy color. It's not as close as I want it to be to the burnt orange family, but I may keep them, I may not, I'm not for sure, but I got two of them for $19.99, and they do have the feather downs in them. I also purchased some fabric, and I'm going to show you what I got. So here is a remnant. A remnant is basically the leftover fabric off of a roll that may measure anywhere from a half a yard to 2 yards to maybe even 3. You can a lot of times get a great price on remnants. So this remnant is a yard, and its regular price was $49. I believe I paid $25. It was $25 a yard, but it was on an additional 50% off. So I ended up getting this particular remnant $12.50 a yard. So this is enough to make 2 really nice pillows, and I plan to match it up with, let me show you. I think it'll go really well with these pillows when I get ready to bring those out. I'm gonna make about 2 pillows, probably the 24, 26 inch pillows with that. And then I also got this fabric, but it wasn't a remnant. I ordered this. I had to pay the full price for this one, but I plan on bringing it into here for my fall color, the burnt orange. Then this was another remnant, and this was a yard. So it was regular price $24, and I ended up getting it for $12. So I'm gonna make pillows out of this one too, to bring into this area as well. So even like with the copper, I think it's going to do well. I don't know, we'll see. So sometimes that's really a good way to go, is buy some fabric and make pillows yourself. So I probably won't make them. I may have them made by someone. I do have a sewing machine. I can sew a little bit, but I want a little more detail. I guess if I took my time, I could, but I'm really good with knife edge or pillows like that. So this is the other fabric I purchased. It was regular price. I plan on using it in a bedroom, just a bright, cute color pillow. Let me show you the detail on it. Kind of put me in the mind of African, maybe African fabric. You see that? I really love this fabric. So I just got probably 3/4 yards. I didn't get a full yard of it, just enough to make the lumbar pillows. That is all the fabric. Oh yeah, let me show you. I found 2 ginger jars. Let me get those. Okay, so I got these from Home Goods. This one was $69.99 and this one was $39.99. I did want the gold, but they didn't have them. They had the gold in the large one once before, but I wasn't really for sure I wanted the gold. I really wanted the silver. So when I saw these, the lady was getting them off the cart, getting ready to put them on the shelf, and I told her I'll take them. So I finally got my ginger jars. They're gonna go in my hearth room, well, my breakfast area. And I think they'll work really good in there. So I'm so excited. Can't wait to start styling them and using them. I think that is about it. Oh yeah, let's measure them and see. So they are, this one is about, I'm gonna say It's about 18 inches tall without the lid. And the lid is probably 8 inches. So with the lid on, it's 26 inches. And this one, it looks to be about 14 inches. And the lid is 6 inches. So I'm very happy with these. I'm happy with everything I purchased. You'll see me start doing my decorating and bringing the fall into this area. So again, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be the first to know when I post videos like these. Thanks again. Have a great day.